So we're working on a 2012 Volvo S60 T5. All right, so what happened was it was hit on the passenger side rear and the curtain airbag deployed. It initially came up with 4 codes, which I'll probably show in a different in a picture clip. So basically I've been working on this car for probably 3 weeks. Just going and changing out stuff and making sure that things are done. Change the curtain airbag, everything is good, right? So next thing I had was 4 fault codes pertaining to the seatbelt. Seatbelt still retracted, did everything, but they deployed inside. A lot of times if you take them out, what you can do is you shake it a little bit and you'll hear the little balls inside, you know, jingling around. That's how you know that they deployed, even though they do retract and pull back and do all that. So went ahead and changed them out, swapped them out. Here are the old ones, old seat belts here, right? Old module from a Volvo S60, same model, that was basically at the junkyard, not deployed. So I bought brand new seat belts. The only difference is the crazy part is these seat belts, if you look here, have a part number. Part numbers still match up, but the crazy part about it is some of them have the 3-stage belt, and then some of them have just 2 stages, which is 1 and 2. So the belts I bought came off the same model, same vehicle, but it had 3 stages, which you can see right here. Okay, now, so I've been looking at this thing and I've been getting the same code for the past week or so, and I've been working on it. And then I decided, you know what, I've scoured the internet looking for the answer and I still haven't found it. So, you know, even bought a new scanner with a little more capabilities, because I was using a Foxwell. Still unable to clear it. Same codes. So what I did was I decided to come out here one last time before I take it to the airbag guys next week, and I said, let me try something else and see if I'm missing something. So like I said, same model. This one has this 3-stage, which is this thing right here, along with the 2 that are in the belt. So I said, you know what, let me go through here and check the wires again. And lo and behold, I find this right here. And this crazy thing looks like it has a resistor in it that they installed. It was wrapped up in tape, so you wouldn't even know. So they have some belts, I guess, that come with the 3rd stage, and then some that don't, and they just put the resistor in to block it off. So I'm getting a code on both seats saying the resistance is too high. Or above the threshold. So I'm assuming this little thing right here is causing the problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in here, and then also I might use a resistor of my own to plug in to see if we can clear this code. So wish me luck, and I'll be back and we'll see what happens. All right, so we got it hooked up, got the battery, so we got this urgent light here. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can clear this thing. All right, so on the scanner, auto detect, we're gonna do SRS. Okay, all right, and then we'll do an auto detect. It went out. Okay, and we'll do okay. All right, and then we'll say yes. Right, and then we'll do diagnosis, control unit, SRS, and read codes. Driver seat, pretensioner. Okay, so we got the same codes. Intermittent fault, and we're going to clear DTCs, yes. And boom. All right, and we have cleared finally cleared that code. So it looks like it is this little resistor. What I did was I went ahead and plugged it right into the 3-stage. If you don't, what you can do is buy little diodes or resistors of your own online for like $10 and plug them in place of this particular one that Volvo installed. This right here was the culprit. So I'm gonna do the other side and hopefully it clears the code and we're good to go. All right, so we installed the passenger side, put it back together, and look what we have here. System passed, no freeze frame fault codes detected. And the culprit was these two things right here. These crazy little resistors, diodes, whatever they are. But yeah, so even if you don't have, the 3-stage seats, and it does come with these things all wrapped up in tape, just go ahead and pull them out, and you can put in your own little resistors. And like I said, you can buy them on eBay, maybe even on Amazon. They're like, for a bundle of 10, you could probably get them for like $15. But like I said, no fault codes. We'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and crank her up. Give me a second, let me put you down. And voila. And we'll cycle through the menus. Maintenance overdue, we'll clear that. But yeah, no more SRS light. Thanks. Like, subscribe, comment if this helped you out. I try to make videos over things that stump me. General videos of me fixing stuff, I don't really make videos, but I may start. But just anything that stumped me and I can't figure it out and it takes some time and I think it'll help somebody else and I don't see it online in the forums or anything like that, I'll normally post it. But yeah, thanks.